Right, so I came back from a trip a few days ago, and I won't say exactly what trip it was because I'll save that for a future video, but there's another trip video coming up. Little camping trip, shall we say, and I was meant to go on this Red C90. Unfortunately, 3 days before the trip, luckily it didn't happen on the trip, that would have been pretty bad, my Red C90 decided, the engine decided I don't want to live anymore. So, riding down the road, started struggling. Whilst this, got home, took the spark plug out, had a look at it. Oh, it's a bit black. What are we causing that? Okay, well let's take the airbox out, maybe it's running a bit, that will sort the carb settings out, let's, fault find as much as we can. Okay, still happening, fine, we'll put a new spark plug in, take the airbox off, run it for a bit, see what happens. Still black. Okay, so it's not the carb, it could be the carb, but it's not the carb, it's the piston rings. Looked online, piston rings about 15-20 quid for a decent set, or genuine Honda set even. I was like, okay, that looks doable, single cylinder, I could probably do that, that's not too hard. Let's take the engine apart just to confirm that it is the piston rings. So bear in mind this is a 22-year-old engine, I think, 80,000 miles on the clock, very crusty engine as well, very crusty. And it's, unfortunately, as I went to undo certain bolts, some bolts turned, no problem. Some bolts just snapped, some bolts refused to turn. There's some bolts I turn, and I think my spanner started to bend, to be honest. Like, it was just, yeah, some of the bolts, there's a couple of bolts that I see that I couldn't even turn at all. 3 bolts have snapped. So yeah, 80,000-ish miles on this C90. I've had it 7 years. It has been abused. I bought it with 30-something thousand, 40,000. Done about 40,000 miles over 7 years, which is pretty good going, really. The sump bolt's been cracked for the sump's been cracked for I don't know how long. Yeah, the compression was 0 on the day. It like completely died on me. Compression 0. I pushed the entire kickstart to the ground. No resistance at all. No compression. Nothing. So I had to like run along the ground, bump it into a gear, hold it into a gear, and then yeah, managed to get me back spluttering and coughing away. Didn't leave me stranded. Wait till I got home and then it decided to completely die on me. So yeah, it's laid up now, my C90 is. And I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with it. Incidentally, I've got a trip video coming up. There's a bird on the roof, I hope. And it's, well, if you follow me on Twitter or follow me on Facebook, I'll put links, there's links down below, hint hint, you can see the trailer of the trip I was on. And I didn't take this red C90. I took my blue one instead. Anyway, go watch the trailer. And yeah, that's it. Red C90 is dead. Oh well, I am sad. I knew it was going to happen, but that bird is distracting me. I'm trying to think, I can't think. I'm all emotional here because my bike's dead. Yeah. And I don't know if you can hear the bird, but it's very loud. So yeah, I'm going to look at maybe bringing this back to life again in the near future, hopefully. So yeah. Check out my Twitter and Facebook or whatever. See the trailer if you want. It's not very long, it's like a minute and a bit, but it took me 6 hours to do, so that was time well spent. Probably not, but anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao. I'm very upset that my bike's dead. You know.